Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about VLC Arc, and in this video I will show you how to burn subtitle to your video using VLC media player all for free. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do here is to make sure you prepare your SRT file. So I have all the elements that I'm going to use right here, and I will show you on how you generate your SRT file. So I have the video right here and I have my SRT file right here. So how do you generate SRT file? Because you need SRT file to burn the subtitle into the video. Now, how do you generate this particular SRT file right here or for free online? Let me quickly show you. What you need to do is to bring out your browser. So right here, and then make sure you visit this particular website. On getting to this site, next thing you want to do here is to make sure you click on tool right here. Then under the tool, you have to make sure you navigate to video, you navigate to subtitle generator. Then from subtitle generator, you go ahead and click on SRT generator. That's going to take you right here. So once you are here, you will have to upload your video file. You can upload any video or audio or URL in seconds. Then once you upload your video, it's going to take you to this interface right here. And then after a successful upload, it will take you to your studio right here, whereby you see the file being prepared for subtitle. I've already done all these things. I'm just showing you, and I'm going to put the link on how to generate perfect subtitle in the description of this video. You can watch the video, that will help you more. So after you have successful generate your subtitle or SRT file right here, next thing you need to do is to click on download or export right here, then choose SRT file format. Okay, for a better understanding, you can check a step-by-step walkthrough video on how I generate this particular SRT file down in the description of this video. So let's go. After you have successfully generated your SRT file, you can minimize. So now you have the video file and you have the SRT file. Let us bond these together and create a subtitle for our video using VLC. For that, what we want to do is to come to the top right here, open up our VLC media player. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on media, then navigate to convert or save, and this is going to pop up right here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on this add right here to add a video. For that, locate where you have the video. I have the video right here in my desktop, so I'm going to select the video file, hit on open. Once you select the video file, next thing you want to do is to make sure you click on use a subtitle file. Then come to browse right here, then select your SRT file format, hit on open, just like so. Then come down below right here and click on convert stroke save, and this is going to pop up right here. Next thing you want to do is to choose your file destination. For that, go ahead and click on browse right here. Then we can make it second. Then we go ahead and click on save right. Next thing you want to do is to click on this particular icon right here. Go ahead and click on here. And the next thing you want to do is to choose the file format here. By default, MP4 is okay. Video code. Keep the original track. You can switch from MPEG-4 to, I think MPEG-4 is still okay right here. Then your bitrate right here, you can leave it that way. Then go ahead and click on audio code. Audio code is still okay as MP3, and the bitrate is this. Then go ahead and click on subtitle. Make sure you check on this. The next thing you want to do is to click on here and make sure you choose subtitle. Then overlay subtitle on the video. Make sure this is checked. Next thing you want to do is to come down below right here, hit on save. Now you are done. Lastly, come down below right here and click on start. Then your video is preparing down below right here to subtitle. It may take some few minutes or hours, depends on the length of the video that you are trying to run the subtitle into. Allow this to completely run, and once it's done, then you can play your video and you see your video subtitle being born into the video. just like so. So you have the video being born completely right here. Now let's play the video and view the video with our subtitle. I'm going to press enter key now to load the video. Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Google account security and safety. I will show you how to create a password or Google account security for that Gmail or Google account. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to log into your Google account or from the Chrome browser. And then you want to file right here. Go ahead and click on manage your Google account. There's going to take you right here. Let's want to go ahead and click on find security. And go ahead and click on do factor verification. So you can see the subtitle being going to take you right here. Display right here. You have pass key and security key. Go ahead and click on this plus sign right here. Create a pass key for advanced protection. Pass key are easy to set. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks like this on how best to use VLC file, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you